Hola, hoy vamos a aprender de los verbos saber y conocer. Both of these verbs mean to know. So they're similar to ser and estar. Ser and estar both mean to be, but they're used for different things. The verbs saber and conocer are exactly the same. They both mean to know, but they're used at different times. So let's find out when we use them. Durante el video, por favor, usa las páginas 4 y 5 en el paquete para tus apuntes. Cuando ves este símbolo, hay algo en el paquete que necesitas escribir o hacer. Okay, let's get into the differences. Saber means to know facts, pieces of information, or how to do something. Por ejemplo, no sé tu número de teléfono. Mi hermana sabe hablar francés. I don't know your phone number. My sister knows how to speak French. So as you can see in the first example, that is a piece of information, your phone number. And in the second example, it's how to do something, how to speak French. Conocer means to know or be familiar with a person, place, or thing. Por ejemplo, ¿conoces la ciudad de Nueva York? No conozco a tu amigo Esteban. Do you know New York City? I don't know your friend Esteban. The first example is talking about knowing a place, and the second example is talking about knowing a person. I want to bring your attention to the second example. When you're talking about a person, you have to use the a personal. We will talk more about this later in this video, but for now, know it's a respect thing. Let's look at our conjugation charts. For saber, the conjugations are yo sé, tú sabes, usted, él, ella sabe, nosotros, nosotras sabemos, ustedes, ellos, ellas saben. And remember, saber only goes with facts, information, or how-tos. For conocer, the conjugations are yo conozco, tú conoces, usted, él, ella conoce, nosotros, nosotras conocemos, ustedes, ellos, ellas conocen. And the verb conocer only goes with knowing people, places, or things. One thing that I hope you noticed is that both of these verbs are irregular in the yo form. So it's not sabo, it's yo sé. It's not yo conozco, it's yo conozco. Please make sure you note that change. And also, with the Z sound, in Spanish it's an S, so it's not conozco, it's conozco. There are also some other verbs in the Spanish language that have the sco ending in the yo form. These verbs are conducir, which means to drive, and changes to yo conduzco, I drive. Parecer, to seem or appear, which changes to yo parezco, I appear or seem. Ofrecer, which is to offer, changes to yo ofrezco. And traducir, which is to translate, changes to yo traduzco, I translate. And one last thing to fill in your packets is about the personal a. So if the direct object of the verb conocer is a person or a pet, and I know the pet seems silly, so that's why I usually don't talk about it. But yes, pets get respect too. Use the personal a. So if you're saying you know a person or you know a pet, make sure you put the a in front of their name. ¿Conoces a Celia Cruz? Do you know Celia Cruz? So you see, you add the a after the verb and before her name to show the respect. Ok, es todo. Muchas gracias. Por favor, completa el Google Form que sigue.